everybody, welcome back. So it's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey guys, and tonight I am heading down to Aurora, Colorado, and we're going to be doing some tiny whooping down there at RC Hobbies Smoky Hills. Never been there before, so this is going to be a new place to tiny whoop, and we're going to try and hit a couple spots, or at least one spot while we still have some light left. So hope you guys enjoy. Hey, what's up, man? Yo, this is Mike's camera right here. Welcome to Mike's vlog. This is Tony.
Hey.
And we got Tony.
Hi.
And we're over at the RC Hobbies Smoky Hill Tiny Whoop Race right now. It's January 2019. Remote Control Hobbies. There's some B-roll for you, buddy.
Boom.
And we got your camera right now. And you are chilling over there, talking to Phil.
Hope you enjoy some of Mike's footage.
And we're gonna get some bro sick B-roll of the track right now. Some sick B-roll right now, Mike. Check this out. Boom. All the paints and stuff, Mike. Boom. Right to the gate. Boom. Freaking Crispy Dave B-roll. Boom.
Race order is Drone 2 out of 14. Drone 3 technical difficulty. Drone 4 fail.
Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this tiny whoop race here, coming from me here at RC Hobby in Aurora, Colorado. So thanks guys for tuning in. I'll be back because I got to redeem myself now. So.